YouTube friends, it's me again, Lakeisha Jones, the DIY Do It Yourself. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Today I have a makeup video, and I got in the mail today, it is the IP makeup kit for January, from January 2000 to February 2022. Let's see what's in the box. They give us a card. It's a card, comes in the mail with your expected bag from IPS. Let's keep going. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. Come with a glamorous, pretty bag. I love these bags they send. Yeah, see that? I love these cute bags that they send in the mail. Yeah, my bracelet too. It's cold in here in Galveston, as you can see. I have a heater. But this is the glamorous little box bag that comes. It's so pretty. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, look. Let's see what this is. It's a Pump Hydro. Pump Hydro. It's an energy booster. It's for your face. Moisturize. Let me see. Let me try it and see how it looks. To moisturize your face. Got a little bit of it. And put that on your face like this. This is the big mature bag that the IPS send that comes in the mail. It's a big bag, but looks, it smells so good, like oily free. So oily free, something like that. Can y'all see that? Okay. And let's see what's next. What we got in our box? Ooh, what is this? It's some lip gloss. Can I see that? Glamorous lip gloss. Huh. Never been open. Let's see. Glamorous lip gloss. I love lip gloss. For some reason, I love it. I love their lip glosses. They be so pretty. Sometimes I'm trying to get it open to try it. That's what I'm doing. Trying to try it and see. I don't see that one. Let's see, where is that located? What's in the box? What is this? Invested Bloom. Let's see how this looks. Let's see how this looks. Come with it. It's a pretty color. Look how pretty it is. It's so little, but it's just pretty. So little. You can put it in your little bag on the go. What else do they have in here? This is the hair mask. It's a hair mask. That they have in a pack. The Hydro Clear mask. And it's like rose. Should I that? Oh, it's like roses. That's what this smells like. And let's see what else. Is that it? Nope. Gotta look and see what else is in this bag. Oh, there's nothing else in here. Let's see. What else do they come with? Let's see. Ooh, look. The blushes brush. Little blushes brush. It's gold and black. And let's see what's in this little bag here. Ooh, highlight. It's a highlight. Highlight. Blush. Blush. To go on the side of your face. The little blush. You see that, huh? How cool. This is the DIY makeup little IP that I always get free. So please like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Peace out.